In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Framer. This is a useful setup if you want to collect email subscribers directly from your Framer website and send those signups into a Mailchimp audience. We will go through the process slowly, from opening your Framer project, to adding the Mailchimp component, to connecting the form action URL, adjusting the design, and publishing the finished site. To begin, open your Framer project. Make sure you are working inside the correct project, especially if you have multiple Framer sites in your account. Once the editor loads, take a moment to look at the page where you want the sign-up form to appear. This could be a home page, a landing page, a footer section, or a dedicated newsletter section. The important thing is that you are on the canvas where you want to place the Mailchimp form. Next, move to the top toolbar and click the Insert icon, which is shown as a plus symbol. This is where you can add different elements and components to your Framer project. The Insert menu gives you access to layout items, media, interactive components, and integrations. Since we are connecting Mailchimp, we are going to use the search option inside this menu to find the right component quickly. In the Insert panel, search for Mailchimp. Once the Mailchimp component appears in the results, drag it onto your canvas. Place it in the area where you want your email sign-up form to display. You can position it roughly for now because you will be able to adjust the styling and placement later. At this point, the component is on the page, but it still needs to be connected to your Mailchimp sign-up form before it can send subscriber information to your audience. Now select the Mailchimp component on the canvas. When it is selected, open the Properties panel. This panel is where you control the settings for the component. You should see options related to the form connection and its appearance. This is the main area where Framer lets you customize how the Mailchimp component behaves and how it looks on your site. Next, you need to paste your Mailchimp form action URL into the appropriate field in the Properties panel. To get this URL, go to Mailchimp, open your audience settings, then go to Sign Up Forms and choose Embedded Forms. Mailchimp provides a form action URL as part of the embedded form code. Copy only the form action URL and avoid sharing or displaying any private account information while you do this. Once you have copied the correct URL, return to Framer and paste it into the Mailchimp component's form action field. After the URL is added, the component is connected to your Mailchimp audience. This is the key part of the setup because the form action URL tells Framer where to send the submitted email addresses. Take a moment to check that the URL is pasted correctly without missing characters or extra spaces. A small copy and paste issue can prevent the form from working properly, so it is worth reviewing before you move on. Now adjust the styling in the Properties panel. You can use the available controls to match the Mailchimp component to the design of your site. For example, you may adjust spacing, sizing, colors, or other visual settings that are available for the component. The goal is to make the sign-up form feel like a natural part of your page, rather than something that was added separately. Keep the design clear and easy to use, so visitors can quickly understand where to enter their email and submit the form. Once the component is connected and styled, review the page one more time. Make sure the form is placed where you want it, the layout looks clean, and the surrounding content supports the purpose of the sign-up form. This final check helps you catch any alignment or design issues before the site goes live. Finally, publish your site. In Framer, publishing makes your latest changes available on the live version of your website. After publishing, your Mailchimp sign-up form should be visible on the live site and connected through the form action URL you added earlier. That covers everything you need to know. You have opened your Framer project, added the Mailchimp component, connected it with your Mailchimp form action URL, adjusted the styling, and published your site. And that is all there is to it.